So we have shown you how to set up a general workplace function tree for all the users. This is the default one. Yeah, we have shown you how to set up individual function trees for groups of users or for individual users. What we now want to show you is how the user, him or herself, can influence the workplace at runtime during working with the workplace. To show you, we go with the demo user. Yeah, it already is logged on, but we will repeat it. So we have demo and demo as user. We go inside and we see this is the workplace, how it is coming from the application settings. What the user now can do is, rather than starting functions, what is clear, the user can open a Launchpad. And this Launchpad is, so to speak, a quick start a Launchpad for dedicated functions. And it's empty at the beginning, so the user can say, okay, I create a new area in the Launchpad, which is, for example, customizing functions, parameterization functions. And now you can go to the left and can say, okay, I drag in these functions which I want to have as shortcuts, so to speak. And maybe you have a newer area which is called admin functions. Yeah, and in these admin functions, you then say, for example, you want to have the backup and restoring of data, and you save this. And now the user has an individual Launchpad set up. Yeah, this is saved by user, and whether the user clicks here or clicks here, it's the same function opened. So here you get into the languages, and here you get in the backup restore functions, meaning automatically part of the system is a Launchpad. And in this Launchpad, the user can drag and drop the functions from the original function tree to have a quick way of launching them. Thanks for watching.